Welcome back to another CSS battles. This is battle number 60 called Evil Triangles, and my god, does it look evil indeed. So when I first looked at it, I thought, oh yeah, we'll just do borders because it's triangles. You know, do one side, but two sides transparent and all that. And then I was like, oh wait, that isn't going to work because of this thing. So there's probably a multitude of ways to do this, and that's the great thing about code. You can do it in different ways. There's no one right answer. Great. So what I'm going to go with is actually clip path. And yes, it's going to be a bit weird. I haven't done clip path for a little while. So yeah, it could go horribly wrong. My idea is to make this basically a rectangle, all blue. And then I'm going to use clip path to cut out the bits, probably with a pseudo element. You could probably draw it as the div and you won't need the pseudo element. But for me, I think that's probably a little bit harder. It's easier for me to imagine cutting it out than drawing it in, if that makes sense. So let's jump right in. Let's delete this comment. And what do we want? I'm going to remove margin because it's going to be on the div. And it just makes things easier. So get rid of margin. Body, have the background color. Okay. I'm just going to turn this into the blue. Give it a position of, what do I want, relative? Give it a top of 100 pixels and left of 100 pixels. And let's just see where that leaves us. So the top is massively out. Let's also just increase the height. I'm guessing it's going to be like 150. If I take off 50, that's not enough. 60, nope. Getting close. 80 is going to be too much, isn't it? Yeah. 75. Bang on. Got it right first time. You didn't see me just trying it a lot. So next up, well, that's pretty much done for the div. What I will do, I'll just put WebKit box reflect in now. And it's going to be right. And I'm just going to comment that out whilst I work on the clip path. So div after content is blank, position, absolute. Just make sure it's top and left of 0. Height and width of 100%. So width, there we go, 100%. Background, this color. I know it's just going to wipe out the entire thing right now, but that's totally fine. Like, look at that. So next up is clip path. And this is going to be the interesting bit. I've done that wrong already. Clip path polygon. Polygon. And then it's the brackets. So I want it to go 0. Yeah, 0, 0. And then up to here. And then back down to 100, 0. Whatever that is. Boom. And then I'm going to go back to the 0. After I've done this one, I'm going to go back to the 0 just to make sure that's like cut off, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to go up to here and work my way around again. So yeah, let's start at 0, 0. And then it's going to be 50%. Let's try 30%. And then 0, whoops, 100%, 0. Oh, I'm guessing it'll be 100%. 30% because I think it's all like it all looks the same. 50%, 60%, so that's the 30 plus 30 and back to 0 and 30%. So it's close, like it's not too bad. I don't need the last one because it closes off, but when I move on to the next bit I will need it. So let's just make sure I get the sizing right. 35, and then everything will have to add on that, so that'll be 70 and 35. And is that looks too much, isn't it? Yeah, that's too much. 30, we'll go, yeah, 33, 33, 33, and what will this be? 66. Quick maths there, quick maths. All right, there's a tiny line. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the screen. Probably will. I might leave it. Yeah, I might leave it like that. See what the score is. If it's wildly out, it would be like upping it by 0.5 or decreasing it, whatever. So let's just go back to 0, 0, and that closes that one off. And we can, let's just go back to the top. So I'm assuming it's going to be again 33%. So that's going to be starting at 0, 66%. 50% to 100%. I mean, that looks weird, but it's sort of going right. 100% and 66%. 100 and 100. Why can I not type 0 and 100%? Oh, nice. I mean, that is pretty good. Yes, there's a few lines coming off. Let's just do the score. Let's have a look. We've got 100%. I'm not going to 604.2. So that means I have got it matching exactly. It's just high in characters. I am very happy about that. So what can I do to make it a little bit better? I don't know if you can like remove. No, you can't remove the percentages. So I think all I'm going to be doing here is getting every bit on one line, or as one line as I can, and just removing all the white space. So that's basically what would happen if you did a minify on the file. I don't like doing this, but it does help the score. It's just not great for readability, but I kind of know what I've done now. Get rid of top left. Yep. Or delete all that. How much have I deleted? There we go. Delete that, delete that. And we can delete the final style tag. Oops, deleted too much. There we go. Spot on. So hopefully it will be better. 609.72. Under 400 characters. I think that's the first. Actually, no, that's a lie. There's probably some really simple CSS battles in the beginning, which have got under 400 characters, but it's been a long time. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It's been interesting. You know, it was fun using clip path. It's not something I really use ever. Like, it's been a long time. Bit annoying about slight lines showing. Don't know if there's anything I can do about that really, but 100%, I'm not going to complain. That was a nice quick challenge, actually. Even though they were evil triangles, kind of got around it. Let me know down below how you found this challenge. Did you use clip path? Did you try using borders? What method did you use? Let me know down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe. Hope you all have a good day, and I'll catch you later.